am making 3-ingredient pumpkin spice rolls. I've sprayed my pan. Now I'm gonna do half pumpkin and half apple, okay? So this will be new. I saw this, it looks so delicious. Okay, so these are the pumpkin spice cinnamon rolls. Okay, then what you're gonna do is you're gonna unroll your cinnamon rolls. Then we're gonna take our pumpkin butter and we're going to smush it all over the cinnamon rolls. Put a nice layer, not too thick, but thick enough. You wanna taste it in every bite if you can. Then we're gonna roll these back up and I'm gonna put my stuff back on. If it comes off, my spices. Now we're gonna take our cinnamon rolls and we're going to break them into their cinnamon rolly pieces. Oh dear, now we've got a real problem here. Okay, this recipe that everybody is sharing is not quite working. Oh my goodness. Okay, well, here we go. We've got, oh my word, what a disaster. Okay, well that didn't work. All right, we're gonna try this again with apples, with apple butter. So let's try just unrolling each one maybe. You know what, this is just a really dumb idea. What a pain in the rear. This is not a super easy recipe. I thought it would just be brilliant, but it's not. Okay, so there's the test, and all the stuff is coming off. Oh my goodness. How these recipes get by on the internet is beyond me. Okay, that's not working either. So let's try this. Let's try pouring some apple butter on the bottom. And let's just set our cinnamon rolls in it, shall we? Okay, let's just throw these babies in the oven and see what happens. All right, here are my cinnamon rolls, and surprisingly, they actually turned out not too bad. I will say I'm a little shocked. Okay, so here is the peanut butter, or I mean the pumpkin frosting. Okay, so I'm gonna spread, oops, oh dear. Spread that all over my pumpkin cinnamon rolls here. All right, and here is the plain for the apple. Here is the apple one right there. Ooh, okay, that looks pretty delicious. And then here is the pumpkin one. Oh my. Okay, those look pretty darn tootin' delicious, even if I do say so myself. All right, we're gonna have Mike come and taste test. It's a pumpkin cinnamon roll. Is it good?
That's very good. Is the pumpkin just in the icing or in the cinnamon roll?
In the cinnamon roll.
It tastes like
and in
it.
the filling.
Yum. That's really
okay,
delicious.
try the apple one.
Ooh, apple one, huh?
There it is. That one's apple butter.
Very good. They're both awesome.
Yay.